Welcome back to the Wheelman. Today we've got a wheel you might already recognise if you've seen our previous videos. This is one of these split rims from Chris Slix's M2 build that he did with his friend Ethan. They've managed to curb one of the wheels, so we're going to be fixing that today. Let's take a look and see what the damage is. If you watched our previous video, you would have seen us rebuilding these back up. They were quite a pain. He's managed to curb the wheel just there, look, on the edge. Just there. So that's going to get repolished. I think during the impact, when it's hit the curb, it's managed to actually unseat some of these bolts. So we're going to need to put brand new bolts in there. I think 3 of them have been completely snapped off. One of them's still stuck in here. You can see there, look. We're going to have to work our magic to get that bolt out. With these being threaded holes, we need to make sure we don't damage those at all. So first step is try and remove that bolt there. We've definitely got these in stock, so we can replace these 4 bolts and whip the tyre off. Wow, look at this. That is not good. Almost all the way around that. Quite tricky to get off that was as well with a tyre machine. So I've ended up removing the tyre first. Probably makes sense. We'll get this polished up first as well before we start doing anything with the bolts. I'm just going to remove this bolt here that's still stuck and this bolt here first before we start doing the polishing now. So that's those 4 bolts out now. Just need to get this repolished again. I'm not going to bother dismantling the wheel with it just being a localised area like that. We'll be able to just polish all this area around here up to the same mirror finish as the rest of the wheel. Without having to split the wheel, there's no point doing all that. It's just going to cause more issues potentially if we fully split it again. Obviously with these also having gaskets, the last thing we want to do is dismantle the wheel, because ideally you'd want to put a new gasket in again, which obviously we don't want to do that. So next stage, polishing, and then we've got another tyre to put on this afterwards. Right, so we've got the wheel back now from the polishers. Got rid of the curb damage around the edge, looking nice and polished, mirror finish again. Just need to now get the bolts put back in, 4 bolts just there, look. Get those all tightened up and torqued. And then we can start getting the replacement tyre, which is currently on this wheel, on this wheel. So next stage is we'll get the other tyre off the other wheel and put it onto this one. Right, so the tyre's back on now. It's literally a case of just waiting until tomorrow morning, just to double check that it's all holding pressure, everything's fine, and then we'll get it rebalanced, and then we'll get it back to Chris. So this is the next day, and the wheel successfully held air. We've got it rebalanced, and it's ready to go back to Chris. If you've enjoyed this short video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. If you'd like to put your wheels in, all our details are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.